We have gone a little bit different this year, and we're doing something, they're mini cornhole boards. They're tabletop cornhole boards. Well, part of the project starts back with our curriculum and being production and manufacturing. So we pair those two classes together in order to do a group project, which is a mass production project. Christmas Mother fits in perfectly for that. It allows us to create one plan of procedure that's got 35 or 40 steps to follow for both classes, and then they can pick up, just like in the real world, where the last person left off on the job. Most of it is done with one piece in front of one person, making sure that that project is the way they would want their project to look. When it comes to putting something like this together, I hope later in years they look back and go, when they have kids of their own, that they go, I need to do something like that because that meant something to somebody, and I want to continue that tradition on.